today, I'm going to walk you through a complete and practical guide to using one of the most versatile free AI comparison platforms available right now. This platform brings together many of the most advanced image generation and video generation AI models in one place, allowing you to test them side by side, compare their strengths, and understand how each model interprets your prompts in completely different ways. The purpose of this tutorial is not only to show you how the platform works, but also to give you a deeper understanding of how to get the best creative results from it. When you open the site, the first thing that appears is a simple notice asking you to accept cookies or basic usage terms. This is common for platforms hosting multiple AI systems, since the browser needs to track session data and model usage. After confirming, your browser may also ask you to prove you're human by checking a verification box. Once that's done, you're taken directly into the main interface of LM Arena, the AI comparison environment we will be using throughout this tutorial. The homepage displays a large title that encourages you to find the best AI for you. And right under it, you'll see icons representing several well-known image models. These icons only represent a small portion of what's available, because once we enter the comparison tools, you'll see the full list is far more extensive. Before generating anything, you need to create an account, and the platform makes this extremely simple. You can sign up with an email or a Google account, and once registered, you instantly gain access to the full set of image and video models. There is no complicated setup, and you can create additional accounts if you want to reset usage limits or test models more frequently. With your account ready, you enter the main workspace. At the center of the screen, you'll see a large text box where you can write detailed prompts describing the kind of image or video you want the AI to generate. This is where you describe the scene, characters, mood, lighting, style, textures, and technical aspects such as materials, camera angles, or rendering quality. The platform accepts instructions in multiple languages and gives you complete freedom to describe your creative vision in as much detail as you like. Above this prompt box, category tabs let you choose what type of AI you want to use. These include conversational models, text-based models, programming assistants, web builder models, and most importantly for this tutorial, image generation and video generation models. We will stay within the visual categories for the entire walkthrough. Now, let's begin by generating our first image. We start with a detailed prompt describing photorealistic dwarves hiding inside a dense forest. The prompt mentions realistic skin texture, detailed facial features, natural hair and beard, soft natural lighting, visible surface textures like bark and moss, and an overall photographic look. This type of prompt works extremely well because it gives the models clear direction: the subject, the setting, the mood, and the rendering expectations. Once your prompt is ready, click the Battle button. This opens the platform's comparison mode, where two AI models can be selected and tested at the same time. You'll see two options: a random anonymous comparison or a manual model selection. Choose the manual selection because it lets you pick exactly which models you want to compare. You'll then see a long list filled with well-known image generators such as Flux, Gemini, Ideogram, Quinn, various SD-based models, and many others. Select any two models you want to compare. For example, choose Flux on the left and Gemini on the right. Now, start the generation. Two image windows will appear, each one representing one of the models you selected. They will render simultaneously, giving you a live comparison of how each AI interprets the same text prompt. Sometimes the differences are subtle, but often they are dramatic. One model may focus on hyperrealistic textures, while another leans into a stylized artistic look. One model might generate warmer colors, while another prefers moody shadows. After both images finish rendering, you can click on each one to inspect the quality closely. You'll also notice that different models produce images in different resolutions and file formats. The download icon lets you save both images to your device. Below the images, the platform displays a simple voting panel. You can choose whether the left model performed better, the right one performed better, both performed well, or both performed poorly. This rating system helps the platform calibrate performance data, but voting is optional. If you want to try again with a different seed or slightly different interpretation, click the refresh icon under either image to generate new variations. To start a completely new comparison, open the Options menu, clear the existing images, and return to the blank prompt field. Following the structure of the original tutorial, we now test a second prompt, this time written in another language. You can write in English, French, Spanish, whatever you like, and the platform will handle it. In this demonstration, the prompt includes more lighting instructions, stylistic direction, and specific camera preferences. Again, select two new models such as QuinImage and Ideogram v3, run the comparison, and review the results. You'll see that each model interprets the same sentence differently, proving why these comparisons are so useful for artists and creators. Next, we move into reference image generation. This is one of the most powerful features on the platform. Click the Image Generation category, then click the plus icon next to the prompt field to upload a reference picture. You can use photos, artwork, character portraits, concept designs, anything that represents the subject you want the AI to maintain. After uploading, you may notice the reference image disappears if you choose a model that doesn't support image-based input. This means you need to switch models until the image remains visible, confirming compatibility. Once compatible models are selected, write a new prompt describing how you want the system to transform the reference, such as placing the character in a different environment, creating a new expression, or generating an action scene. Generate the images and observe the results. Some models preserve identity extremely well, maintaining facial structure, color, clothing, and personality. Others are more interpretive, offering more stylized transformations. The output resolution also varies significantly from model to model. The platform makes it easy to test multiple combinations so you can understand which model best matches the style you need for your project. You can even upload realistic portraits to test how consistently the models maintain facial features. We now talk about usage limits. Each AI model has built-in restrictions. If you generate too many images within a short period, a notification will tell you the model is temporarily unavailable and show how long you must wait before using it again. Fortunately, you can continue working with other models, and if you truly need more uninterrupted usage, you can create additional accounts and switch between them as needed. After experimenting with images, reference generation, you'll have a solid understanding of how this platform works and how to use it effectively in your creative workflow. It allows you to explore dozens of models, test their interpretations, observe their strengths, and learn which ones match your preferred style. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support is my motivation for creating more content.